Hello children, in this session I will teach you another rule of the article. We had learned two rules in earlier videos. Right, first rule we had learned, we have to revise again. So first rule we had learned that if the noun already mentioned in earlier, we have to use the for the specific and defines the noun. Okay, this is the first rule already we had learned. The next rule we had learned, that second rule we had learned that we can use the with uncountable and plural nouns. Now the third rule I will teach you in this session. Okay, so you can see here the third rule. Use the when there is only one of someone or something. Third rule says that we use the when there is only one of someone or something. We'll explain you with the examples so you can understand. First, use the before the name of the heavenly bodies. First, we use the before the name of heavenly bodies, means the natural things, heavenly bodies. We can use the for the heavenly bodies because it is a defined, it is a specific name we are given to the heavenly bodies. So we have to use the before the heavenly bodies, natural things. We have to use the. Let's see. The sun. One of someone or something. One of someone. Okay. Sun. The moon. The earth. The star. The planets. Jupiter. Right. If you can. The Pluto. The Neptune. So we have. These are the all heavenly bodies. Means the natural things. We have to use the before the heavenly bodies. Okay, next, use the before the name of rivers and water bodies. First we use the for the heavenly bodies, and next we use, now we have to use the for rivers and water bodies, right? So name of the rivers and name of the water bodies. Let's see the example. The Ganga, right, is a holy river. So we are given a name to the Ganga. So we have to use the, means the proper name we have to use the. Okay, the Ganga. First you have to keep in your mind that we have to use the before the river names and the water bodies. The Ganga, the Amazon, the Pacific, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean. Okay, means the Ganga, the Amazon, these are the rivers, these are the big rivers. We are given a name to those rivers and we use the before the name of the rivers. And another, the Pacific, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean, these are the all water bodies. You are aware about that. India surrounded by water bodies. India surrounded by water bodies. So we have to give us the name to the rivers and water bodies. So we should write the before the rivers and water bodies. So first we use the for the heavenly bodies. After that we use the for the river names and the water bodies name. Okay. Next, use the before the name of higher post. We should use the before the designation for the higher post. Okay, so let's say which are the higher post, which are the designation, higher designation. The president of India. Okay, so it is a higher post of our nation. So the president, we should say the president. Okay, the prime minister, one of the higher post. Right? So we have to mention there the prime minister. Second, the principal. It is also the higher post and designation. We should use the principal. Okay. So now the manager. Also, the manager also one of the higher post. It is a higher designation, so we should use the before the manager. The director, yes, the director also one of the higher post, higher designation, so we should use the before the director. Means we should use the before the name of higher post, means the higher designation. Okay, so first we should learn that we have to use the before the heavenly bodies, name of the heavenly bodies. Second, we should use the name of rivers and the water bodies. Then third, we learn to use before the name of the post and the designation. Okay, next, use the before the name of holy books. Yes, the holy books is a very important part of the religion. Okay, so holy books is very important. It is a value-based books for the humans. So holy books is a very important part of human's life. So we have to use the before holy books name. Okay, the before the name of holy books we use the. So for example, which are the holy books? We should know. The Ramayana, yes, one of the holy book. The Bible, one of the holy book. The Quran, one of the holy book. The Bhagavad Gita, one of the holy book. Every religion has a holy book. So these holy books are very important life in humans' life, important part in human lives. This holy books gives the value-based education, okay, how to live a life. So this holy books is very important, so we should use the before the name of holy books. So you understand this rule 3. So in this 4 examples, we should use the. I revise again. We should use the for the name of heavenly bodies. We should the for the natural things. The heavenly bodies, it's called a heavenly bodies. So we should use the name of heavenly bodies before the name of heavenly bodies. Second, we should use the before the name of rivers and water bodies. Third, we learn that we should use the before the name of post and the designation. When we wrote the letter to the higher post, we always write the principal. Your parents, when they write the letters to me, always they should write there the principal, because we should write the before the higher post and the designation. Second, last is the use name of before the name of holy books. Okay, just allow we learn here the use for before the name of holy books. Hope you understand that this third rule properly. Already I explained with examples. You read it again and you see the video again and again. Okay, hope you understand where we use the one of someone or something. Hope you understand. Now I will teach you next rule where we use the.